Hi, my name is Carlina, and this is how I get ready. And okay, so first I'm just gonna straighten my hair. So this is just a Chi um, hair straightener, and here we go. Next, I'm gonna put these on my hair. This, first of all, moisture recovery. That is upside down. That's upside down. I don't know if you can see it. Joycia, I don't even really know how to say it. I just got this at my salon that I got my hair done like this at. I got it done in Rome, Georgia. I'm pretty sure you could get this at like any salon or like maybe eBay or something. Again, it's upside down. It's just you put like a little bit on it, like little bit, like a dime amount on your hair. And since I straighten it every day, it really helps keep my hair healthy. I also got it from the same place. This is Matrix. This is the same thing, same concept. Total results. Then back to basics. I'm pretty sure you can get this at like Walmart or Target or something. Basically just a gel or hairspray that keeps this all like that, because it can get pretty humid where I live, so don't want it to get all frizzy. It's already a little bit frizzy, but just basically a dime amount for everything. I also am gonna put this in my hair. Herbal Essence is Set Me Up, Hold Me Softly hairspray. I haven't actually got these in a while, so sometimes I forget what they're called. Bedhead is good. I actually don't have any, like, I do have blonde in my hair, but since it's bleach, I don't really need to use color goddess, but still makes my hair smell really good and keeps it conditioned because I do straighten it like every day. So I was just leaving conditioner. Okay, now for makeup. Okay, so I'm not wearing any makeup right now. I know I look so good without it. Just kidding. Okay, so what you're gonna need if you want to copy my style, I guess. I'm just kidding. Okay, Lancome, just like a pencil, whatever. That. It's black, obviously. It's black. Comes like this. You probably get this at like Target, Walmart, Sephora, you know. The Falsy Big Eyes mascara from Maybelline. I think this pink one is more like, let me see, this is more like, it's really thick. Probably need to get new mascara, but this is pretty thick, so like, yeah, regular mascara. And this one's a little bit thinner. I think it's more natural looking. It doesn't really matter. I use both of them. It just depends on how I'm feeling on the day. One of these, obviously, especially since I'm using like not brand new mascara. Really should like place every 3 months, I think. I'm not exactly sure. Don't quote me on that. One of these eyebrow eyeshadow brushes. I mean eyelash. Excuse me, eyelash and eyebrow brush. I think this part's for the eyebrows. I don't really know. I have like really bushy eyebrows, so like I don't do my eyebrows. I mean, like I have naturally good eyebrows, but like I still need to I need to shave those caterpillars. I mean, wax, whatever. This part's for the I probably should clean this too. And also this MUA Makeup Academy professional brushes right here. I don't really have like foundation or anything or bronzer, but this one, I do have those brushes, but I don't have the actual stuff right now. It's kind of hard to find something in my skin tone. I already have like mostly nice skin to begin with though. Thank God for those jeans. This is the blush brush, and this is all over eyeshadow. I think there's one specifically for eyeshadow, but I like to use this one. And when you do get that, I think it comes in like a box, a big plastic box with all these different brushes in it. But anyway, the blush and eyeshadow I use are not like super high quality. I mean, I got this at like Target. Just CoverGirl. It's like little natural shades. I mean, there's like a light pinkish that I used to highlight my brow. Like these two, like a tan and a brown. Daytime makeup, obviously. Oh, shoot! There goes the blush. This you can actually get at like the Dollar Tree. It's pretty cheap. It does work very well though, even though it's like from the Dollar Tree. That kind of quality. But whatever, it works. This is just the mirror I'm using. So not extra makeup. I mean, yeah, that's extra makeup. This is just the mirror. That's all I'm using it for. So the first thing I do is take this one at the very end, this one right here, and I'm gonna highlight my brow with it, with this brush, obviously. So I'll overshadow brow. So the next thing I'm gonna do, the second one in the middle here, I'm gonna put it like on the inner part of my eyelids, and yeah, just if you're gonna repeat this, I would just make it look as natural as possible. What I'm gonna do is put on the very last one, the darkest one, and I'm going to put it around the corner of my eye, like that part, and I'm gonna blend. Also apologize for the lighting, it's not very good. This is my webcam, so please bear with me. Now that I have my eyeshadow done, I'm next going to put on my eyeliner, and I am just going to put it on my waterline. I'm going to put some mascara on. Normally, I think, actually I probably use these both equally, so. Whoops. You'll have to find out what I use. Surprises and throwing things. mascara from Maybelline, the big falsy eyes. Did the big upper lashes layer, and the more natural lower lashes. I just realized that's exactly what that's for. So that's what that was about. And just use this because this is kind of old, gets clumpy, but what can you do? Now I am going to be using the LA Colors blush, pink. Just going to be putting it on my cheekbones and like this part of my cheeks and my nose, just one little thing. That's just how I do. The last thing I will do to finish getting ready is to put on some lip gloss, and I actually will end up using this Pure Minerals case from inspired by Jupiter Ascending, excuse me. It looks really good. I did not see that movie yet though. Love Mila Kunis. Gonna be using this really cool lip gloss here from Pure Minerals, Galaxy lip gloss. It is pretty cool, pretty unlike all the lip glosses you've probably seen, and me. So, let me prove it to you. Let me get it a little bit darker in here. Maybe not dark enough, but look at that. It lights up your whole world. Galaxy lip gloss. And I'm gonna turn on the light to apply it, of course. But isn't that pretty cool? Pretty much it. That is my daily makeup that I wear on a daily basis during the day. At night, obviously, it would be a little bit different. That's how I usually do my hair, you know, straightening it, keeping it healthy with all the other things that I put in it for moisture and leave-in conditioner. Anyway, I hope you like this video, and if you want to see more like these, please hit that subscribe button. Anyway, thank you for watching, and like this video, and I hope you have a wonderful day.